Today, you will learn how to convert JPG to PDF for free online. First, open any internet browser. Now go to Google. In the search box, type JPG to PDF. Press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, open the I Love PDF website. When the website opens, click the button that says Select JPG Images. A window will open on your screen. Select one image or multiple JPG images. After selecting the images, click Open. Now you will see some options on the screen. First, choose the page orientation. You can select Portrait or Landscape. On the left side, you can see a live preview of your PDF. Next, choose the page size. You can select Fit, which is same size as the image, A4, or US letter. Now choose the margin option. You can select small margin, big margin, or no margin. If you want all images in one single PDF file, make sure the option Merge All Images in One PDF File is selected. You can also change the order of images. Click the A to Z button to sort by name, or click and drag the images to arrange them manually. If you want to add more images, click the red plus icon. When everything looks good, click Convert to PDF. Please wait a moment. Okay, it's done. Now click Download to save your PDF file to your computer. That's it. You have successfully converted JPG images into a PDF file. Thanks for watching.